On a vu la gang, on a beer. No, yeah, I refuse to give you Sharon. Because as Sharon children, they're important to them. And that's why every other people, when Miss God, they saw their children, they're important to them too. So we could view it. But the name is God in a row later. It's a guy for. And that's why.
Not even me, not even Sharon.
Now one of the places there, one play out today.
Were you on the broadcast? Were you listening to the broadcast this morning?
Power tap!
No.
There was one Sharon. There was one Sharon auntie, which is the immediate senior sister to the mother that called.
Yeah.
This morning.
Yeah.
That was the what?
I'm not too listening. I don't follow up with the way this morning.
Power tap, guys.
That is
Power tap.
Who collected Sharon as a baby. He was not even up to Mimi age. To take care of Sharon. From baby till adult.
Wow.
Now, why did that one happen in future? It's because she was mishandling a child. She was not taking care of Sharon very well. They don't want her to kill Sharon, so they have to take her away from her. I am starting this issue to you. I'm telling you this story from the beginning, from the source.
Yeah.
From the foundation, how the root started.
Power tap,
yes.
You understand?
Yes. I understand.
Me as the senior son, I passed through hatred in her hand. She almost killed my enemy.
Yes, sir.
I know how she will just grind pepper and pour it in a rubber paint.
Yeah, where we go? I be with Nigeria.
Nigeria become where the foundation.
The foundation, okay. Right on. I get all the time.
For those of you that will not hear Bini, I go interpret for now. Anybody will get rose, what are you man? A gift, anything at all, what are you man? I did this issue. Yes, Sharon must tell Godi to stop. Agua, Godi is not the family of Sharon. So for that reason, she does not have the qualification to take care of those children. If Miss Godi take care of those children, I'm sorry to say that there will be no up good bringing from those children. Because she doesn't teach them different things. Those children don't see waiting they never see before for their mama hand. You see why the premier person live long for this life. Because if you live long, your children will not become of age and that nobody can be able to control them. May everybody watching me right now, may your children live long. May we not die when our children are young in Jesus' name. This is the disadvantages. This is the disadvantages. Iye Sharon. May she take Sharon. May she take Miss Godi out of the house. If peace. If they say no, say Franco Moswell okay, and tell them say no, then let the saga continue. Share this video for me. Part
Jesus. Jesus.
Sharon mother she has never brought up any child. I'm telling you all this so that we will not know why today is happening.
Yeah.
Okay. She has one lifestyle that is all about man and money. But you think she can just.
Yes, Sharon, if not because of your boyfriend, maybe they feed a fuck. Now make you go abandon your grandchildren for your pikin. You ask me, Miss Godi, they take care of them because your pikin they talk about say you like break. What happened, man? Oh no, man, that's enough, your man. What up? You like break. You like a say a you like your bar pass your grandchildren. See what they do your grandchildren for TikTok because of you. No, I will not agree.
Just a little business. What she does is to buy one man.
He's not capable.
buying lace for the wife at home so she can come into the house freely.
Wow.
I told you the father was not happy. They fought to tell her to become decent and so that the father of the children will take her in as a responsible wife. Sharon has an uncle here who named us our names. That uncle was responsible of us because for no reason my dad refused to take my mother in. So that uncle now said,
"Power up, guys.
It's not good that you cannot abandon these children. It became now responsible for us by taking care of us in childhood."
Imagine.
You understand what I'm saying?
I understand you, my brother.
Okay. If there is no an attitude, if the family did not know that she can't take care of child, will they even collect our own children from her?
No.
High blood pressure on the kid's tension because of drama. Yes. Because of the greediness of the grandmother.
No.
Okay, that is the root of all this matter. Now let's come to the future.
You hear and say, "Don't even take care of them."
Now she refused to stick change from that same story that I told you. From that same story that I told you, she refused to change. How did I say she refused to change? What she does is to insult me and Sharon. She don't even see us as adults, as matured adults. She don't respect us. She do whatever she wants to do. She insults me. Yeah, okay, even this one that she's doing right now, she will be able to prove what I'm saying.
Jesus.
He pikin.
Okay, he got it to a point.
As this woman wicked reach, he only pikin will remain. He not the ask of this woman. He only son will remain. Now 2 children this woman get. He only son will remain. Now since Sharon not there again. That one fear no the let that one they come meet him mama. That one they proud for him mother. Not be everybody when you saw their mama. Not be we go to play more. Now this mama Sharon meet him no. You see people now they say I don't like I do not like my mother. We will get motherly love. Not miss every other people get motherly love. Sharon's spirit is strong. Sharon's spirit is strong. If Sharon's spirit not strong, this matter for don't die down. Since last year, the things they go. Sharon's spirit too strong. Sharon is using me to speak. Until Miss Godi come up for that ass. Ye Sharon. Iriwe besa ganani. Imama. Okay. Ugwali Indomie. You are looking for Indomie. You want to use this children till they collect small the ve. Oh yana. And they look you. To hear mona ya have the ve. Because Osamede called me the other day, said the reason why they depose those children, now in case if anybody still see them, they go like me they bring carton of Indomie for Europe. For Europe, where all of us got a day. For Europe, where they pay children, one person 200 for Italy, 4 children, 2 children 400 euro.
Okay, it got it to a point that Sharon got Mimi.
Which is the first.
He got pregnant for Mimi, the first child.
The first child, when they listing.
When she went to Nigeria. So,
they listing.
You know now, before you come back to Nigeria now, that 5 months, the pregnancy would have been 5 to 6 months.
Yeah.
So she came, she was in her mother's house. I don't want to tell you my whole story. Let me just tell you.
No, but you have to tell me your whole story because you know why I want to, because you know where for the suspect say something is fishing. Those girls that came out to speak, at the end they will still come and apologize. I said no, this is
that apology, my dear, my brother, seriously.
They listen to waiting make Miss Godi because he's there. I don't want to really talk. They listen to waiting make Miss Godi go apologize to Mama Sharon. It was under duress. They say Mama Sharon na witch. That means Miss Godi go wrong apologize. all of them wey talk about Mama Sharon, all of them come go dey apologize. Say because Mama Sharon na you be wish. Now you know if you get money we pass that go to you. Sharon, you be really wish. Yeah? Now you know if you get money we pass that go to you, meaning na wish na you shop. As Z that way, as an area way.
I did something and apologize to. I'm regretting it.
Okay.
So let me go on with the story.
Yeah.
Sharon, mother, hardly care for anything.
The way you talk about Sharon mother, you know your beer way.
No, seriously, let me tell you something. Let me tell you, even before Sharon, let me tell you one thing that will shock you.
Yeah.
Even before the death of my sister, I've actually given her up.
Okay.
You hear? Even before the death of Sharon, these guys so don't even they send this woman. Before Piki converse, no one send the mama. Jimmy, if you say that's why now this thing so you want to do to the grandchildren. That's why I say no. You see that you take care of the grandchildren, go give government before they do your prick and bar business. Sagana anyo.
Before the death of my sister, me, I've given her up long time ago. Even when she's calling me, sometimes I don't even want to pick. Sometimes I block her for like 6 months, even more than before the death of Sharon. Because she became a peace to me. She was no longer giving me that peace of mind to rest.
Jesus.
She was living my own personal life as myself.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying. Yeah.
And so that's why I said, no way you say it's the man Sharon, but maybe because I've given up long time ago.
Yeah.
People go to Sharon but allow the motive. It's my kid sister, and she just give birth. I must go and take care of her, whatever she needs. And just she called me for something, then I will still went to see her.
Yeah.
My brother, that woman has never taken responsibility as a grandmother. No, let her know you say as a mother.
Before we continue with this audio, let me take you guys to something before we come back again. Enogie maton rubbish wa sungu about lagwagbe. Now what they use Sharon? Children they do karika show.
She wants so many things to be said when everybody they fear to talk.
This is the voice of Miss Golden crying when Sharon newly died. Say, Sharon, Mama, where you not feel leave picking for when she dey alive. This is the sugar daddy of Mama Sharon. Okay. Now with the now first song audio they play just now. This was Miss Golden when they never remote her head. Sharon died. You never reach one with Mama begin the knock bula. Your own biological daughter, your only daughter. This was Miss Golden. Your only daughter. That's why I don't know if he facts me. Oh, no, Rossi, what have your man? You see all those people that they say me they defect me. Now my back door there for life. A sagyo ho bag. Oh, no, me gift what have your man, and they show the evidence right now. I want to use this evidence of Olevino take back waiting his son they explain to us. They listen. Thank you. He say, Sharon, your mama will carry you go Africa, go bury you. The reason why your mama will carry you go Africa, go bury. She don't know.
You go open WhatsApp group.
Say go.
Because we keep quiet.
Okay.
Because we don't want to talk. If we not sure now go this far. Oh, Rihanna.
Yeah.
That girl tried to be everything that she changed her life. Never to be like her mother.
She changed her life. Never to be like her mother. But today, now the same mother, now I can grant you access to those kids. Meaning, Sharon changed her life not to be like her mother because her mother is a wayward mother. Is a careless mother. Is a useless mother. And now we cannot see how useless Mama Sharon is by not taking good care of her grandchildren. But when the young girl tell go to say Mama Sharon and wish, she can't go tell Mama me beg. And Mama to do that video when I screenshot posted before yesterday for my platform. God in a person will enough stand by a word. Nobody will not be witch. Some people they get some kind of spirit will follow you in life where you not know. The thing will they guide you, they go. That is your guardian angel. Do not be afraid to speak the truth. Power tap for me, guys. Let's go.
One where days where they are totally now.
Yeah.
What is?
He said the ass we Sharon bear. Then Mama run now. Go this thing. What is shame?
Shame and disgrace.
Aye.
Una when they go they gather money for WhatsApp group, they take carry Sharon go ass. Una go wait to. Sharon talking with him man say he not gonna feel leave picking for him mama.
The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Oh, Babadi. Oh, finally. The Lord has done it finally. Oh, the Lord has done it. Yeah, mama, Pastor Adrian, mama, so. Make up for feed the yell those. The Lord has done it. You still have? Sharon tell you say no feel leave picky for a mama. And today we confirm and say that truth because a mama no feel look picky. That's why I can give her to you. You don't even face on Mama Sharon now and they tell you say no, you don't talk to Mama Sharon like that. Oh wow, if I bought love like babe. Yes, Sharon, I will be a man. I will be a man. So what do you mean? When guy must shock you one way. The only person that can do me something is my mother.
Papa,
yes?
Daddy lock the door.
Yeah?
There's a good.
Where's mommy? Honey? Yeah, mother. Where's your mom? What's with mama? Una dey hear life? Are you dey see life?
If mama not sabi take care of pikin, is she able to
I beg una dey gift me, I beg. At least, if I feel they bring all this kind of evidence, come, I mean I'm a truthful person. Yes! This was the video this idiot do where make Frank Omozuo, where call the supporter today come beat him mama. Now later I want to play the way Frank Omozuo. Now Frank Omozuo me go take beat your mama today. Now Frank Omozuo me go take beat your mama today and I go play the way it is swear for Tompolo and Luckiness. You see the way the saga they sweet now. People where they support you, I don't feel curse you before. Nice one.
This man go sleep. This man, you are shameless.
Now Mama Sharon sugar daddy the saga now.
Where do you go sleep for Sharon house for?
Okay.
Tell people, bow head.
Okay.
I go call better bloggers when go sabi and ask you. Okay. I go give them details upon details. when Sharon take come, I made the ask Sharon, mama, how many times she come hospital?
Una de ya. Yate me norovonu. You dey see life. Mama will not come see a pikin when the pikin dey coma. I want to take care of your grandchildren. You say those children you're dey under risk. Then some stupid idiot set of people call it talk say, don't say that. Nobody can love Sharon more than mother. Shut up! They see better mama. If you get her, congratulations to you. They see useless mother. Gentle investor, Mona block and come out for there. Maybe a mistake on my platform in Allah.
How many times she came to see her child in the coma? Friends were coming every day.
Who was the friends? Patience Easy and she. Patience Easy and she was not the one coming every day. The same Patience Easy when this idiot they talk to this in an evil person.
Afternoon, night. Mona asked the mother.
Power tap.
How many times she come hospital? I only saw her once on Tuesday. They even forced her to come.
My people, Pikin dey coma. They force im mama to come see Pikin for coma. Oh, Pikin wey mama Sharon use it to born dey that kind condition. He come dey knack bola for house. He say he no fit leave the bar. He come dey do, they say call the fat turkey. They force am. When doctor call the check and say man, he not sure say they breathe again. Say he don finally give up. Na that time Sharon come take come on Tuesday of it. You see life. Mother. Now I say me she dey take care of Sharon children. Oh yes Sharon, na this one you want do. Yes Sharon, no na who. Oh you wear Akabe Patience Easy no fear money. May you for fit dey collect the 400 euro for their head. May you want Patience Easy dey share. It will not work. That's why I say Sharon. You know they say I'm very bad, but when I go to tell say leave Mama Sharon alone. Mama Sharon is a devil. Mama Sharon is a devil.
You on that 2 days, I have the evidence. When I said bad things, go give those children.
Okay.
My friend that do one for.
You don't dey mock those children. Now yeah, if you start to dey mock those children. 500 euro 2 days.
I know they regret them. But when you're trying to make me look stupid and bad because I'm saying the truth, then everybody go hear them for body.
Okay.
He shall not be a more bad hospital.
Okay.
On Tuesday, the
they remove everything come up for a body so she not finally die.
Mother came to hospital. Her bar was still open. Her bar was still open. Oh yeah, kepa. Oh yeah, kepa. If this will relieve me of what is in my mind, the pain in my mind. So on Tuesday, and the last day they have to remove everything. What kind of a mother are you? You took a man to that house. Where? Madam, it not go good. You got too red. You see that plan when you plan against Sharon. You don't do that girl rich, and enough is enough. If I come out for you later, it go worse.
Do you know that Miss Golden say if they carry Sharon go Nigeria, she go buy ticket, go Nigeria, go put sansan for her body. When they come finally carry Sharon go Africa, it go the Mayo. If I may not confirm where may be.
Me, they call me for forces. And Sharon, what I talk some more. Now they go there analyze. You and your people when go there analyze, you not go regret some. I know your Samantha when don't know the story. When you just use what she told. I'm a witness, I was there. What we told you, Bebo Gume. What we told you, why if you Bebo Re? And one was Sharon, so what yeah, dedicated to Luba. Who were you have Bebo?
Say go back ticket. I bet not for Sharon Beria. Una see for Sharon Beria. When they bring Sharon come and say somebody call the shop jollof rice for Sharon back for coffee. And they come for that one later. Now. Saga go roro. Yeah. When my first go, they hear me say, I be no get maton. You don't know what he's asking me. I don't screenshot time. You were eating jollof rice on somebody's back. How wicked you can be. You go tell me whether you don't feel shop that jollof rice for restaurant. Where you go to shut on jollof rice? What? Not be all those ones they located up they do so. All those ones go cry tire. All those ones never even know till they call saga. Eh? Me we don't do saga for more than many years. I want to celebrate 10 years. 2026. I don't know how they follow me the saga. Small year just shake. A day.
As your rich your families there when your rich road meets. Families is not only by blood. Person day, the way you tell one injustice, you go fight for injustice for them. Una go come tell the world about bloggers. Una ask her why should they carry the grass?
Sharon, eh? Oh my God, Godi,
Ma,
Godi, I beg, calm down, off the life. Godi, I beg you. Godi, I beg you. Godi, off the life. Godi, I use God to beg you. Calm down.
Now this kind of person, now Mama Sharon can't give children me that they take care of. May we live long to take care of our children. May we not die when our children will be so young that they could not take care of themselves. God forbid. May we die at our old age. When God call us, nobody can call us. Nobody can take our life. Now let God will bring us. We don't know how to take on this life. In our old age, we not go see no one will take come out. Because I don't know you are. But as at then, our children will be of age to take care of themselves. You see grandmother. You see Miss Golden. I said they'll quarrel again on a bet. Sharon and Miss Golden will quarrel again. I say Sharon. Miss Golden will tell him Mama Sharon say, now he take care of Sharon's children. Now, since Golden don't confirm and I'm gonna go back to Ipikin now. He first some audio.
As a mother, as a grandma.
Radio.
Hello, darling. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah, you were saying something about the first pregnancy just from before.
What gift
Okay, now the first pregnancy.
What gift you know?
The first pregnancy, like I told you before she must have returned back from Nigeria, it would have been like 5 months, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. 4 or 5 years. So when she came, she was in her mother's house.
Yeah.
That house is a living house that they are using for bar. Even the rooms that is supposed to be in the house for even Sharon that is supposed to.
See where Team Sharon go back so. When Sharon go take it for Nigeria now, she come back to Europe. When I listen, what done yo?
Even the rooms that is supposed to be in the house for even Sharon. They use this room as package store. So automatically the house was then left with one room. You understand?
Yeah.
So Sharon was there with the pregnancy. As long as the whole thing was going, the woman started carrying face up and down. You know why?
No.
Because the boyfriend was coming. It was coming.
Una de year. Your daughter get belle. he come meet you as a mother, you were not happy because your prick they come. If your boyfriend come where you want to stay with Sharon, her God, ye Sharon, God forbid. God forbid. Your own daughter, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Now you see they do it today now. Because you don't know how those children they sleep, you don't know how they wake up. Miss God didn't know about here. He won a Sagawa money.
Because the boyfriend was coming.
Share this video.
And she wanted the boyfriend to come. And I told her, your boyfriend cannot come in this situation. You both don't have place to sleep.
Okay.
Sharon is pregnant. Listen to me very carefully.
Yeah.
Sharon is pregnant. Your boyfriend cannot come this period. Okay, fine. If your boyfriend is coming, you both should go to hotel, or rather you travel to your boyfriend. The only time you can say something, the only time that he operates is from Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Go to your boyfriend by Monday and come back Wednesday or Thursday. In that way, Sharon can take care of herself and she can be able to rest well, so that when it's time for her giving birth, she will go and give birth. Give birth.
Mm-hmm.
This man did not listen to me. At the end of the day, the guy came. Okay. They were saying I beat the guy. Which person in the right sense?
Adult is pregnant and they see your comment. It's not be 14 years. We will not get papa and mama for years. Still they had us. People they lose us. You know that Sharon lose the house when she rent. When make her come meet mama. Even if Sharon get house, for example, Sharon come decide, say you want to come meet your own mother. Now bad thing. My people. Person get belly. You want to come meet your mama. What the only picking when you get for life.
As a guy, we don't tell his girlfriend that, no, now, come on now, she's carrying your grandchild. Okay, you know what? You come to my side.
Mm.
Are you getting me?
I did get you, Baba.
The guy came. So, they now forced Sharon to go and be sleeping on top of the shed.
What will be your point? I bet when I block this idiot, wait, they say what will be my point. Your point now be say, may you go use real account, take home. A fake account in the year, now, that be my point.
Yeah. I was so very, very angry. I was so upset because I already know that, seriously, none of them is behaving.
This present one will be the first one. The present one will be the first one.
The first.
Oh, I'm talking about me now, the first child.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? That was how the folks had to be sleeping on top of the shed.
Mata.
Udamio,
Baba.
So I got angry.
They listen, no, that was how they forced her to start sleeping in a chair. Pregnant woman. They forced her when she sleep for pity.
And the way they saw that, and now, come on now, the way they see the way I was very, very sorry, darling. The way they see the way I was very, very furious, so they have to start sleeping on the floor in the sitting room while they're not allowed the Sharon to be sleeping on the bed. So it was the complaint at daybreak that my body is paining me. My body is paining me. That is why Sharon decided to say, Mommy, you have to work. I cannot be living this kind of life.
You see her? You see the reason why Sharon calls one bear house? Because the ground which Sharon call they sleep, call they make her body the prepare. And then Sharon, I bet me you go bear house. When I hear waiting, my mother to repair picking when say one go bear house for Europe. When I listen, when I see the way this woman wicked, what down here? I listen.
Very one time Nigeria, damn you. So what we got? I have to what? What was going on? We got the man. Yeah, I'm with her. I don't care about Sharon. Where Martha, be the Italian.
Una hear Sharon wake up in the morning, follow mama discuss and say one go buy house for Italy. The mama say, you get this kind of money, I bet you give me maybe to open big bar. Mother, our prayer and say, me our children better pass us. You know if you buy house from Italy, your picking one buy house for you to support your child and have that house. You say, may give you the money, may take go open big bar.
Because we don't have you way, we never go in good way. I mean, we have me Sharon now. But we go to do ya keep her. Okay. It's not to do.
Now people call it say, now what they talk more for math, so this is song. They say come I can meet Sharon and Mama they exchange words. They call the house and what happen. National call it and say, but they prepare her for year. You know they feel they sleep and she they pregnant and the mama still bring Mark come house. Meaning if the man they bolo Mama Sharon feed the year. Maybe the woman will be that's why we always sang that. Yes, because now, not be just because about the pepper. Sharon still there pregnant. You know, say pregnant to me, they did on the other way. What did it talk? They make us say, you want to go back, you want to go back, you want to go back your ass. Imagine not for them to hear those useless voices again. Now the so-called they ask this woman say, all the bar where you don't open for your life, not be money you spend that for. Not be money you spend that for. I didn't talk.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't remember, Baba?
And now with Sharon. Sharon, we need to read now. Where you to read now? Not where you are busy. I'm telling you.
Sharon say they go to Reno. Now your brother can't even recommend patience easy. Where was Golden? My people. Where is Miss Golden? AKA God bless you. Where is Miss Golden, the air service helper? Una where they take her? I'm just saying nowhere. And they ask all of Una, where was she when Sharon was in a bad time and she was pregnant? When Sharon was looking for where to lay her heads, where was Miss Golden? Thank you so much for the gift. Oh man, the money go have your any. This is not a chat play. If you know I'm making you happy, why gifting? Hey Rose now, everything why you gifting, eh?
I'm telling you how she drove Sharon to Easy. How she drove Sharon to Easy's mother. This is the story. Oh now, you know, I cannot visit me or more. It's just me and Sharon. This is the story. But now you mean? I know the mother now. Come on now. I've been with her for almost even more than 40 years now.
This was how Patience Easy entered the issue. Where was Miss Golden? Only you know where you dey. You not get house. That's why they not think to come your house. This now has proven to everybody that waiting Osas they talk for your body, not truth. For people who get retentive memory. Osas talk at the other day say, not kitchen to kitchen they sleep. So Sharon not go one call they follow you, they sleep kitchen to kitchen. Now they suffer go meet Patience Easy and her mother with they okay. You they see life. That's why they quarrel with all these idiot people when they support Miss Goldie. Una no ask questions. Goldie don't know anything. I even know more past what she know. She don't even know the woman when she even they laugh with.
According to how mother behave,
okay.
Mama Easy reacted like that. And I explain my winner. She was normally she should be hungry. She's a mother. She should because
Yeah.
Yeah, she went and advised her. All of the advice say okay, fine. What if woman is to my hotel, no What did it boy? Okay, so maybe boy. Oh, when I have every year do what? Sorry, darling. Sorry. Don't cry. Sorry. Since I can't we do what? Okay, what we go be die. Why do one of what? Why live as family?
As family, yeah. That's the point.
Now, when they confess, for those of you who know the year, being making the interpret. When Sharon, his brother, finally reach Patience Easy house, Patience Easy and her mother first welcome them. Now Mama Patience can ask Sharon, say, Sharon, waiting the happen. See you with Bele with your luggage. Waiting happen. And your mama, he say, Mama Deo. Sharon can explain everything to her. Now Mama Patience can say, no, he need to still go see Sharon mama. Now Patience Easy can go see Sharon mama. No. You don't give me any problem. The guy is even happy that I'm playing this. You not go give me any problem. As they reach where Sharon mama, they come explain to Sharon mama. Your pikin carry luggage come on, everything on. Okay, since ours don't be like this, you know if you tell your boyfriend. Your boyfriend was still there. His sugar daddy was still there. Your pikin carry belle, come on for us, go stay with her friend. You as a mother, you don't feel am. Mama Patience can't even still advise this woman. She said no. Make sure I don't give her the money, make she still open bar. Madam yo. Okay, people who they hear Benin don't hear that one. People who know they hear Benin. Mama Sharon constantly tell Mama Patience Easy say, now because say you put Sharon for house, now me body they catch her. Pursue Sharon go junction. If she dead junction, yeah go neat. This time around, Sharon was pregnant with her first child. See me, Mama Patience pursue Sharon come for us. My people, when all these things they happen, where was Miss Golden? I said that when me and Miss Golden coordinated, no say she be devil. She was a green snake under the green grass. She's a manipulator. Strongest manipulator ever is Miss Golden. She can use cry to manipulate anything for you. Anything. Guys, let's go. One of they gift me, oh, I gift him, I never see money gone.
Another mother, another good mother, such a thing. Now, Mama is now say, okay, this man is not ready to listen. He left and come back home to meet Sharon. She now has Sharon. Sharon get him to work.
Thank you.
2 weeks be ya mucha kiwe. Easy now we ya mucha kiwe. It's the original Sharon now kiwe. We and we now ina mucha ke. Ihe Sharon man the Sharon ya to wadi. You come back here. You mama know the
you hear her? You hear her? Mama Sharon money not join. Mama Sharon money, he not join that house. When Sharon want go buy that house, Mama Sharon not follow and go. Now Mama Patience Easy. Nice time by Sharon to buy the house where they come there today. He dey shock una na abi?
Don't do that. I said don't do that.
Okay.
Give me.
He said no.
Sharon, she was so concerned about the bar than the life of her own child.
The bar and the man was, in fact, yes, I know if it's a big life in a piano.
He said if your mama value anything, part the most valuable thing, when mama don't ever value pass for a life na man.
I mean, this one no ga.
Say na man.
Piano. You will get Gani and that's because you not work hard.
It's not because
the village way man you go to Enogie or passing high.
it's not because of the man. Never mention what they do in business. because she believes say if she not dey give that man money, that man go run leave am. That man will go to the saga just now when I first show na since.
Mama. Can you imagine the nonsense?
The capital not can why not in it. Or where you try to move on in ya can wow better. Okay, or you wanna you go the when I be side to a friend there. Currently Mukian have never seen ya can walk or ban home. You look at one I own or walk for other blame me. That was how I know that he's building house for the guy.
Oh, Mama Sharon dey build house for a boyfriend. He say make pikin go stay junction. Mama Sharon dey build house for a boyfriend. He say make pikin go stay junction. Ah God. Papa, the man will born me this life, now will born me the next life. A mother that have feeling for children.
He's building house for the guy.
Eh? Okay, Sharon. Are you telling me? My brother.
Okay, let me finish this.
Let me finish Sharon side
of the story. So he's in our way, man. Sharon. He's in our woman. So we go to work. He's in the back. Sharon not maybe you should tell me or be more tell me we know. If we see one now, my son come and so about the one. If you Sharon, my support. You might believe Sharon to one.
Can you imagine?
You be you have to one. Or to one. Why does it 10,000 euro and damn you? 10,000 euro ni ben a woman. She said 10,000 euro you can really 500 every month. The main area is
what's up?
Don't want to go you keep any I don't
yeah.
Sharon woman. Sharon ain't bad in Nigeria. Sharon I have to see my very brother Lao woman now. I can go 500 the office now. Is this my weakness? Sharon like in Nigeria team, or we are a bank, or we are paying me. You will withdraw every mimi. But so, you will withdraw 20 worker by. Or you back and withdraw 20 worker by. After then, why withdraw the niveau? Oh, we brother, we go to the borrow.
For those of my fans who know the year Bini, Sharon confidently badass, but this woman here did not support her with a dime. So when Sharon don't buy the house, the balance money where Sharon go take pay for that house finish can remain 10,000 euros.
I'm here for I mean, then I will not have to go to my account and withdraw the balance of the money I pay in the office. I did that for 5 months, Sharon period. Even if Sharon came in, the man I can't call Sharon, let me demarcate this house for you. You will live in one side while you put tenant in the other side.
Yeah.
In a way, because in a way, we do banana for most. In a way, we live in detail.
Shebuna don't see the reason we make Sharon buy now. Now don't they observe now? There was no care from the mother. We need to ask Mama Sharon too. What happened to Sharon before she go hospital that morning when she not come back? When Sharon was discharged from the hospital after she got born, Mama Sharon not go help pikin. Sharon, there are people in Radio Emilia that saw Sharon. We go supermarket, go the buy things by herself. Sharon, they bend down, they wash baby clothes by herself. No, now see me ask Mama Sharon. The boyfriend where they date, the wife of the man where they date, he and his children, they date that region for them. Mama Sharon is dating a man where get wife and children for house. That's why I say, yeah, I like Igbi Sharon now. The only way you not go to make me enter your body, now for you to call Levi, no, make you not come Sharon house again. Make you go take care of your grandchildren. Because of the audio when I don't hear about you, now make me not like you. I don't like you. God forbid. I don't like if I get mama like you, maybe I may use my by you. You make boa. If I get mother like you, I use my you make boa. I make bo masse no vivant. You don't see the clear evidence now. Because some of you don't understand these issues, is what is why. Adam,
that's the way you have some income, and maybe you can maybe you show that maybe but at least there is nothing bad when there is plus.
They say na snatch. Mama Sharon snatch the man from Mama born great. Okay, they say the man way Mama Sharon dey date. He first picking name na Papa born great. Okay. No one dying and go they get the same thing. Go to the snatch Agboyosa from his best friend. Go the snatch BM from his best friend with the Canada. Mama Sharon snatch Papa born great from Mama born great. Now I know why they similar together. Now I know why they resemble. Wanna gift me? What did you say? A buyer not say you resemble. Oh, God forbid. Bad thing. So ye Sharon, when we work basse na, I be wanna block at this one. This at this one we block here. This one joy wa soon we work more. Una not the shame now be. The people they support now go the shame for their eye. They go the shame. It will amuya.
You not convince her. I convinced her. I have tried because she didn't love the idea.
Block her.
She wanted to just leave the house, normal, live well. I said, yeah, I told her that there is time for that. And moreover, you are living well anyway, but this is just a way for you to go more higher. Hello, you see that?
Yeah, you tell me, bro. Remember me a week, yeah. That's this one not be say answer that now. Well, we are not your meaning what all those people have said was not true, but the truth. Are you weak? I'll say that one. Ross, I didn't listen to what you talk. I didn't listen.
So I end up doing the work.
Guys, power tap.
Yeah, that is here, okay.
Guys, power tap.
I end up doing all those things for my sister. Believe me, you go to have paying. Can't go get me paid for that 5 months. You go to have I will even see I marry now. Okay, come on, man. We brother, we have to go about the work. We have got the work. We didn't want to run one side here. And okay, problem here. I did all that. The child already particularly mother more and don't get over. I did all that.
Mommy.
But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
there was because man, if you show the picture in that shot, there was after paying her the first thing you go to Sharon, 350 again, and I'm telling you, but now if you find the 50 million, we put that 350.
I will tap it to
50.
I will interpret. When I mean the power
And I was happy to pay her, not because she's my sister, but because it's an achievement for her.
Let's go, guys. Power tap for me, guys. I need money gone to take complete. Not for day in one. Or why are money gone, man? Oh, if you like what I do, why are money gone, man? If I like buy, benefit,
my sister.
Why get money gone? Why two way?
Until when I was going to Nigeria.
I need now money gone now.
I think that was last year.
Now money gone. Oh.
But I was going to Nigeria.
Juliet.
I went to Nigeria. Maybe Nigeria.
It made that 8.
You know, VJ now we.
To take complete my business.
They will pay me on my. My company will pay me on my behalf. So I will be able to give you 150 out of that 300. When I get to Nigeria, I will send you 150, and I did. I have the receipt with me.
Thank you.
I have the receipt with me. For a brother to keep a receipt, you should have known that I didn't do it because of my sister, but I have to do it because of my mother.
Your mother, yeah.
I have the receipt with me. I sent out 150 from Nigeria. Now my sister was cool. Let me show you a trick of how to tell you. When I came back from Nigeria, I tell you now we were a month to the in Nigeria only Imasa.
Guys, power tap.
Now we 300 in our years, still having 400 until I complete it in 3 months.
Yeah.
We marry the resume winner. No, the day for the resume winner. And I'm the matter I'm here. But I will not blame her. Do you know what she went there to do?
No.
Or tell you when you have here where you who you manage to go in here. For the one,
Guys, all I want is power tap. Leave the rest for me. When I me reach my target for money gone, I don't get to money gone. I remember 8. I believe, but I hope even if I not reach the 10, maybe I'll see like 7 before I come on. Wow, power
for the
tap.
mother, just see the guy expect the mother will say, "Oh, yeah, take."
1,007 people are watching. Let's go.
The mother now stood her ground to tell her that no woman will worry.
Now let me interpret. You can't get where you reach. The brother called look for us when you want carry. Now Sharon can say, me brother can carry, he asked me the pay. The brother can't really the pay. Sharon can say, make it still from there, still the help her, the look, he picking. Do you know what happened? You can't get where he pay reach. There be blood. It just, you know, they usually support her. Normally, you not suppose me, blood brother, they pay Sharon. That's right. Even if want they pay him, not be the full money we go pay for our side, not be go pay for a blood sister. This is mama so. Now still the under. We make that equals to get as a be. 2 children we get you, they bring division between their 2.
This is funny, but
2 children, man.
For all this story, I want to about Romo.
for where?
You have to pick it up. He say all this story now when you don't tell me since about her mother. Does this look like a woman that can take care of a child? Please guys, power tap for me. And gift me.
Adam, then I'm always a peaceful maker anyway. The thing maybe because my quietness is a weakness. No, it's not.
Yeah.
I was just trying to meditate it because we are just only 2.
Yeah.
So I left the house. I went to where I'm living right now. After me leaving the house, it was not up to 2 months or 3 months interval. For the second child.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was not up to 2 or 3 months after me leaving the house. Sharon knocked back. Ijana quality sign Sharon Wadona Pume. Nina Maya Otajeva. For that 5 months, Sharon Yarowa.
You see life.
Okay, this, let me tell you something. Everything that this woman is fighting for, or your time of having Monica work have been able to make without you, but she's the one fighting for the house. Oh, only the money that we you do have a reason to take care of everything. You do have a reason to take care of them there.
Okay, for those of you who don't the year Bini, una know why Mama Sharon dey fight for us. Please guys, let me power tap. The reason why Mama Sharon is fighting for us is not because he really loves those children. She's fighting for those children because of the house. That's the reason why she's fighting for those children. Because if she did the custody of those children, she go stay that house. Like picking talk baby. Over here you tie, him tie. Now the evil person.
I'm not against that too.
Papa.
I'm not against that.
Leave them, mama is coming, leave them, go inside. Go inside.
Yeah. Sure. Am I right?
All those attitudes, me leave, me not to learn now.
Am I right?
Okay now.
Yes, power tap, guys. Power tap and gift. Where are my lovers? Hey Rose, what gifty? Hey Rosie, have a mere copy. My lovers are not poor.
You know this time, I know you're still, you know what? Oh, you're in Nigeria.
Thank you.
You know this time you're still now.
Oh, you have me a gift. Oh, you have me a rose.
Yeah, okay, bigger, no one. You know this time you're still now. So, you
make Sharon not tell your brother me stay the house. Me they collect money from your brother and you as the mother can't go to stay there. Did you pay? Did you pay? Because of how?
Let me round up before I can ask you questions.
Before I'll play this audio, our children will reap the fruit of our labor, and we will still eat the fruit of our children. But any of our inheritance, our children will take her in Jesus' name. We no go take our children inheritance, God forbid. We no go take our children inheritance, God forbid. This woman they take a picking inheritance. This woman so they take a picking inheritance.
So back when they ask you questions.
Okay, my hand up first. Okay. Now, okay, put in there.
Lock the door.
You want chocolate? Okay, daddy will give chocolate now, okay? Okay, put in there. Me make yayi. Me now you are living life like that. Now, it's Sharon not to read. How do I marry? No, could you believe where did they have a weapon? Where the man by the man was that Sharon sign? From that one export, there became so many secret people from Sharon that I did not know about. Well, we are Okpamen, people of Okpamen, she was still very my kid sister that I know, but I did not know that she was hiding things from me.
Things from you.
She was still respectful. She was still with me. She was still showing with me. We were always going out. I never know that she was hiding things from me because of her mother.
I don't already clean the house.
Are you hearing me?
I did hear you, Baba.
Now, because of the things she was having for me, I did not know that she was having a high blood pressure. Because of the things she was having for me, I did not know that the mother had no operation to do. Because of the things she was hiding for me, I did not know that she born with the VRT operation. I became a stranger. I never knew any of these things. Okay, now, Sharon not to beer, no Sharon or ya beer, not to beer. And then your mom you only allow for 1 week. Sharon, Sharon got to me with that. Okay, now let me tell you how Sharon ended up in his mother's house.
Yeah.
Sharon was planning to come to your country, Germany.
Okay.
Now she was
Sharon was planning to come to my country, Germany. Miss Godi, where were you? When all these things was happening, any friend where they wait, may you die before they help you, may they die your death in Jesus' name. Any friend where they this life, if they wait, may you die before you can help you, may they die your death in Jesus' name. You see why they attack Golden? She wanna see why they beat Golden now. You must say I, because all these things what she do now, supposing she do what she will do alive, Sharon for no even die. Sharon get who? But all these things was happening. Do you know that Sharon came to Germany? Mama borrow her money, no be dash. Mama borrow Sharon money, no be dash. Always, if you don't read that side, if everything dey okay, she went to the city called Bremen City in Germany. Where is Miss Goldie? She was nowhere to be found. Now he pick a friend out there. Now he come and say, I love my friend. I will do everything for my friend. What you did not give to her when she was alive.
She now concluded on putting a tenant in his own room. There was one tenant before, though his room became empty, so she now decided to put tenant while she's in Germany. You know how it is now. Yeah. She cannot leave the room like that. So the tenant is a fat lady, and the fat lady is my very good friend, you know.
Yeah.
So I when she came back from Germany, I assumed that it was the fat lady who break Sharon's bed. I called Sharon. I said,
when Sharon they call Germany, he can't put person for your house. Rent her heart. Because he keep one side. If like say Sharon put it down, the fat lady wey invent Sharon has go sleep for Sharon bed. Come break Sharon bed. This is what I call down here. I call attacking the kiri. I call down here. I call down here. I call attacking
Sharon. I say Sharon.
He break the bed.
This lady fast down. You know that kind of bed not strong. She don't break her more. You know, not be her fault. But I don't know how soon I will take discuss that one. Actually, I'm going to say, not be she break her, now your mama break her.
Yeah.
That is how I find out that she was living there. Was living.
Come here, you go say, this guy, when useless, they made him mama, they take care of him at his age. But would they take care of our mother at their age? But would they take care of our mother at their age? So, mama no fit take care of the pikin when the pikin dey stress. Eh? No matter how pikin go grow rich, come here, I block you. You are very, very stupid. Fake friends everywhere. And none of the form love when person don't die. Or why you never want to form love no work.
Kai,
I don't know what
you know.
Why got him muti here one wala. The thing is very
annoying. Okay, sorry brother, let me continue the story. So that is how I find out that it was the mother that was living there.
Comment, don't mute.
Okay, Sharon really
gift, thank you.
The tenant in the material fee go break. That be say that the break the tenant take la one year Sharon happy mena.
Yeah.
Okay, tenant to give la one na the tenant na we na dey ni yakba Sharon ke ti pack la wa.
Yeah.
Sharon ya go buje. Akedo bien we Sharon do bien tenant here te o ke tenant ba Sharon ke do gun. Now Sharon ya go.
Now, you want to tell us this one's on the part I not play before. All these parts are the places I don't play them before. Now, he brother want to tell us how Sharon today. Let's go. They say now maybe the first person we post Sharon right arrow IP for Sharon. If I was really the first person we post Sharon picture right arrow IP, me will not deal with Sharon for Italy. Everything when they look for this guy, me gonna let and grant for me. No, not be me be the first. Sandoka don't post. No sir, Obaseki way the Canada don't post, and some other actors. Some of them don't even they post for their WhatsApp story. As God the young mumu, so they go there why with that more. Plus all the people they talk as na me fair post on picture which are happy. Now what you pay the part they will lose in Jesus' name. Amen. About Toba say. Yabata Obase.
Oh yeah, boy.
Listen, no. When Sharon come back from Germany not favor her. The tenant what she put for us. Come tell her say make you give her time, make she take back. Now she can't get to fall back to her mother. This was the second child. Meanwhile, the first child, when Sharon fell born, that patience easy as they for born the pikin, then they for take care of the pikin. Amami Sharon one day. Amami Sharon one day. Adami yo.
Ogini kokona eh. O mesi kokushi an yo mo ko bien. E me ha mo na eh, ni atoka na ma we this last one. You can me attack ke then ya time ma we dan be we it normal Sharon ya be because other we won me we normal. No, let me just tell you the story like I see Sharon give birth normal. Because if I didn't
Mona say Sharon take down. Mona say Sharon take down.
No, Sharon give birth normal according to what I know or what I feel. Okay, not be normal. I give birth pepe. I okay.
Okay, why not?
Sharon,
Jesus. They say person with newborn. Sharon go the hungry oh. Person where you see as well will call the shop biscuits before they can give her food. Maybe in the all those kind around 4 in the evening. You as the mother, you did the same radio with her. Yes, Sharon. Yes, Sharon. What do you do, Sharon? I will never allow you to do it to your grandchildren. It's either you tell God to stop coming there, may you go take responsibility of your grandchildren, or your good government, or saga forever for you. Now see what it lead to Sharon death. Carelessness of a mother. Ignorance of a mother. And today you want me people call it pity for you. Pity my food, pity castle.
Hi.
Sharon actually me up you is legal. Wait 2 years on the man yeah Sharon go ready.
Yeah.
O could not that be a normal. It might try well me issues so that would the China with normal.
Yes, we were going to involve the government in Italy radio because people with the radio they observe this thing since now. How far? What did they play? You want to use the way to do your picky to do your grandchildren like that? You want to still lose guardian? You know, play. Government will collect those children for your hand. It is better make government you take care of those children than for you as a made for your focus on your prick and your bar business.
O could not be a normal my brother. If I'm not gonna you tell no you have to true, but so just like the truck boy or the yaba for money them go to.
Yeah.
He say when they come discharge Sharon reach mama house, if they ask me question, I say, woman wey newborn, she be there go bath her. As a mother, you need to bath your pikin, which is Sharon. But there was nothing like that. There was nothing. Well, damn you.
If the true name, there were no share. He just like the true no be baba or no be boy.
He said there was no share.
Oh, who not that be all like toilet to be here. He should have to be baba with the end no kana ya go get here hara.
Jesus.
Over the right how is she sleeping?
Jesus.
And then I do we are came with I can suya aka beer or the other one biscuits.
Jesus. He said before Mama Sharon go give Sharon food for hospital, he go fair open bar, he go first sell suya, he go first sell drinks for people first. Maybe all those kind of 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now person wey newborn can't eat money food. Sharon go dey shop biscuits. If they play this thing for the Italian government, I'm sorry, you and God, you know, will get right to those children because your own son is testified against you in the court of law. That's why they tell us, say this saga him. I heard the look good, he laugh. Me no me here su go. The saga go your me bene serio. I can be yet tomorrow even in shake.
And meanwhile, the friends. If somebody meanwhile, what's your the capital edition man? Which you go come on?
Yeah.
Didn't be one anyway. Look, what is your man? Okay, chocolate don't swallow it here. You hear me? Don't swallow it, okay? Okay. And what's your the capital of man? When you have it here with Sharon, what you do for your man house? Go easy side. For this whole radio, nobody go fit take care of you. You don't get another person again apart from easy. Your man no go fit take care of you. One of them here. Or wait, where your man no be a nine here. We are being na momo by you win at your wizzy.
You the hear matter. You see Sharon, the way Sharon spirit not take rest for this matter so. Easy still they mention and say he no one carry pikin go meet easy again for the second time. Make him mama no call the announcer and they go. Make on the me no call the announce patients they go. You know person wey dey with Sharon for hospital when she born, patience easy. When my wife not go call Sharon again, when my wife call Sharon, wish her congratulations. Patience easy was there, happy on it. The mother was nowhere to be found. When Sharon come reach mama house, that patience easy come say man, make she still go enjoy herself for Portugal. Now Portugal they for call patience is this Sharon daughter coma. The same easy way they drag today. Ah Sharon, you also rest in peace. Sharon, everybody.
They fight on the spirit, they fight.
But they even give him a dog boy, you know where? Ya been ya A to Z. When they see matter. They see matter. This time around, am I a misgodio?
Sharon, for don't die for that first pregnancy, it not be easy. Easy live one for this second one, I mean, not of survival.
It not survival. Because easy to say, he give him mama in 1 month or 1 year, he does escort Sharon Richards. All those Sharon, because they use the I say Sharon use. They say Sharon for supermarket for Esselunga.
I make you first or go to Sharon. Is the way they will take. They say you not get right to post picture.
He say no. I know where the verse. Now make her come beat. Now make her come message Miss Goldie say you not get her to tell patients easy make you not post Sharon pikin wish am happy birthday. You say me go post and say she took the emotion. Amami Miss Goldie. Miss Goldie was Sally carrying. They do till song with all those Benin Republic boys. You know because you know if you don't with Benin guys. All those Benin Republic. I don't say Benin Republic na country on its own. People with their passport never too strong. Or wey use Nigeria like say Nigeria they pursue them they come. Now there for the come down or Cotonou before they come from there maneuver enter Nigeria. Do Jesus Christ. Patience Easy may go enjoy herself. The video when Patience Easy and Sharon take go holiday 2023. I'll post them after this video. The Patience will have Sharon your holiday. You see Goldie is a devil. I go play audio. I go play out to some points. May I say I don't want to take Chris again. You don't worry. Please give me power tap. That's why I say when I see the gift. Thank you so much. Well, we are gift. I need like 8 money going out to complete my start my dashboard. Well, we are
winning at your wizzy. And the plan was that all girls to believe it, but then on
Yeah.
Hi.
Iye Sharon, Makoki Sharon, or Makoi,
Jesus.
or Mamoe,
When Sharon come back from hospital, Mama Sharon no bath pikin. He not give her Joko make sit down for bedroom until say she use stay born.
When me able to Sharon say, "Now all good though, now mama we there." Sharon say, "Which mama now is?" He say, "I better not be everything good. They talk my sister throw away. Now mama we there Nigeria better pass me. We get mama for Europe." They look me and not the
If God go fit give Sharon 3 minutes, if for your quick tell the whole world say, "I beg go." Baba God give her 3 minutes so he make your quit talk he go die the next 3 minutes so make your quit talk say now Patience Easy want me to treat those children now bye bye yo. If God fit give, I would God they give people 3 minutes after they don't dare to speak again. There was no Miss Goldie. There was no Miss Goldie. No be your mama. No baby mama. La bia kunagbe. No be your mama be mama.
Oma dada is the true. Oma dada wuga. Oma megede.
What you gift today oh?
Iye Sharon ra by a baby no here. All because the customer before we in wa Sharon no here no wa.
Iye. Una hear that one? He said Mama Sharon no even take care of Sharon, you know the bath farm, now Sharon they do everything by herself. Now she the bed down, they wash baby pampers and baby shirts, everything. He go still come up for us, leave Sharon wey newborn for us. He go still take customers who want to drink palm wine and this thing, palm wine and BSA. He know there so if Sharon come, Mommy J not the right thing again, yeah. If Sharon come. Sharon, I say Sharon come. He not there as but Sharon day. Sharon go attend to now. Person wey newborn. Mama no do mama follow e pikin. Na grandchildren wey come do and follow. Now this thing so that's why Miss Goldie fair is sort out. So when Miss Goldie don't go brainwash mama may come beg Mama Sharon. Now Miss Goldie can't use Patience Easy take back. Say now so he tell Patience Easy make them go gather train Sharon pikin. Patience Easy come say no. After all the humiliation wey they don't give Patience Easy and im mama for social media say Patience Easy thief children. Say Patience Easy thief pikin. The humiliation was too much.
And a Sharon at the balcony, you normally be here, it's not even allowed.
Yeah.
He say,
I'm telling you these things now
if
because I don't know that she
he say if Sharon even use normal bone, he no even still clear. Me she dey bend down her head. Me she dey wash clothes. Me she dey bath with aka olive, you know. Make people dey insult Sharon children through Miss Golden. Make sure you dey do prick. Make they sell drinks and bar. Now this one I say make the pity for. You see why I know the pity for this woman? Because she was a demon. Even that birthday what she do for Sharon children, I didn't for no say she not send. She not fit bury Sharon for Italy. Make as the children they grow, so they'll go they put flower. And Sharon do 1 year that day, now 1 year remembrance. Those children they'll go put flower for their mama grave. He say me they carry Sharon go Africa. Miss God use the man tell me say money where they donate for Mama Sharon. Say Mama Sharon say no see money. If I lie, me go bring juju paper for me. I go answer that one.
He has issues. You may be complaining now with a normal yappy and I did not allow it. Man, you know that he had done it with your tenor. Manage you one.
Yeah.
Oh, monama coco. Really, me, yes, the Mavena, I did with Tamata. Tamata, you can know when I know you have the hands of money.
Almost well, most always like almost validity.
Okay. The truth of what Sharon is finally out today. Say now in mama carelessly leave Sharon. Say now in mama carelessly leave Sharon when she born with CS. Now make blood enter Sharon head. Adding his blood in Benin. Mothers in the house. She did, God, best comment ever. She did wrong and she's afraid to be tormented. Miss God can't come as number 2 to come claim glory. Say when Sharon died, now she can't dead. Patient Sissy was nowhere to be found. You see, evil friend. That's why anybody when they pray for God, they say, God go bless you. I mean, A to Z. Now when they pray for God, say they take care of Sharon children. Now, when Sharon their life again, God will punish all of them. A to Z. Because when Sharon needed her, I wish the way they do and follow Sharon children. So that's why you do and follow Sharon for justice did this life now today now. You take care of the children.
As a single guy, say, "This is not there. Come my house, come my house. Or bring the first baby man."
She even used. He get one video I'll play later when Miss Golden talk. Say Sharon call her, she not pick.
Omonoma papa when you forget to let in your car.
Go inside.
Your career biscuit. No man, again. You don't even know again. I think I will put money. I very well.
Oh well, where be? Where go?
Okay. I could me where at the those one I feel me like woman. Okpamen. If you in the hospital, so about Marine. But you know soon the man every Mary what the situation of the things. Away man, away my son, not yet. Away man, away you have to leave this woman at least for 1 year. So many manners that I cannot even explain.
Okay.
He even come with me this morning. He shouted at me. He said, the priest, you have to leave that city. Disappear from your mother. He called me again today. That man is so fucking angry at me that I'm
Kai.
He's so fucking angry at me. That man came because of Sharon. When Sharon was in coma, the mother disrespected him. He came second time again. The same thing, the mother disrespected him. An elderly man that you were supposed to call and say, Papa Campiona, he became your taxi driver.
Okay. Posh, say me can help him. Posh, requesting any help you, a request. Posh, requesting help me, I help you. Send him a request and help you.
Pardon,
Posh, Kuyo.
where's the Baba? Where's the Yabo?
Ayawa, ma. Thank you so much for that. Yo.
When can call you Wessing? You know where you only do where apology to my family because of him. Yes, so I mean, not the back back already.
Yes. Over apology over 20. Mwauni. Yari. Maybe around 6 hours.
Okay.
Miss help, mom.
Okay. Where's the Baba? Amania. Baba.
That was why the man gets angry. Well, when you make it taxi driver, when you like where join. Maybe now telling her here when you make it taxi driver, you buy more.
Sharon uncle come ask Mama Sharon say your pikin dey coma come go see am. He say no. He disrespected the man. The man come again. Your pikin dey coma. He say no. He can't even use the man be one church to taxi driver. And the man come and say come, he no be your mate. He don dey Europe, he never even dream say he wan enter Europe. Person pikin dey coma. The mama no go there. Go see am. Not be fun, nah. My wife dey fry something.
That only cares about people who is under her as slave. If you want to become slave to my mother, fine, she will be your friend.
Just the way. You can't buy it. Anyhow.
Whatever you will be doing to be happy. If they use you.
This is it.
Well, I gift him, man. I'm a rose.
Whatever you do, help her to do it, bring her more money to give her boyfriend.
We not be at her age.
My mother has never also to better herself. She has also to always pay for preach. Now you also answer here.
Yes, no doubt.
All the apologize to your family, okay? Thank you so much.
So, I have the yawo money, and I knew where Okpamen. Now, when my father saw things, he became very angry. He now said, and he called me, say, my son, he said, oh, well, not doing that one, I need you are a commoner,
okay.
The mentality of the child is totally different.
Now, their uncle not be not even want to make Mama Sharon all those children because she's a careless mother. If Mama Sharon really stand by Sharon when she born, she prefer a bar pass a pikin. People for read you come tell her your pikin dey coma. Go see am. He say you want leave the bar for.
This little child might be. Do you know that my uncle used us as reference?
I swear.
He said this little child might be virus the way your mother virus you and your sister.
Hi.
It's very spiritual.
He said Omona Kwane. On the 80 years, I never was so easy. Because you're easy. Yes, you're not here. You're not going to be. Or that makes Sharon, but I'm with the call G. Any my easy like social office. I'm not here. I'm not with his cousin. It's my cousin. I come here busy. I'm not the social.
Okay.
My yana the story my talk. Easy, like custody of these children.
Okay.
Me too, I'm also in custody. I'm also in
yes, I saw we're not your support is in it to be a custodian of that child. If I need to know what you know what, if I even know what I'm here. As far as he is also a custodian of that child.
Also, yes.
If I even know what I'm here. No wonder that's a competent, no there. No wonder. So.
Now, here now. The brother of Sharon now introduced patients easy to their uncle. Say, now this one will they take care of Sharon before Sharon can finally die. The uncle can embrace him. They come from there, go to Sharon office, can go give custody of Sharon's children to patients easy. Assuming a custody, assuming they give patients easy the custody of Sharon's children, we for not hear all this nonsense. What will they hear today?
To one who pray to see the children, they see how they come be. And you know, I don't remember the social media now. God forbid.
Who don't know that Monica no there? After like rubbish in my head.
And if not for my father, I'm very sure you can call this laugh in himself.
Okay.
Yes, darling. Okay, that is here. Okay. If not for my mother, you can quit. This is la way himself. It's not for my father. I mean, sorry. It's not for my father. You can put this in la way. That was that the chief custody to Easy.
Congratulations.
And to Easy and me and my mother and my father and one other lady who claimed that she's a family friend and she's working. She can support anytime.
Wow. Is that your father? Is he your biological father or Tora?
He's not my biological father, but he has always assumed the right of his father.
Okay.
Yeah, let me tell you how he assumed the right of his father. I know I told you from the beginning that my father was serious. He couldn't even take our mother in.
Yeah.
Because of the attitude.
Yeah.
Over time, I remember many years ago, we have a year in once year,
They give my people. They be give me to patience. But this woman here was announcing patience. He say me break pikin, he not send me o pikin, he not send me ki o pikin, he not send somebody will stand where your pikin take gas from Italy. Mama Sharon know what she dey do. You see all this audio when they play today, we couldn't afford no because of the ass.
Ask our money, social they pay the children, they go they collect them.
You now your children supposed to inherit what you do. Not be you inherit what your children put for grandma Sharon. Yes, Sharon. When they go the power one day, Okpa. Okpa or sit down. Because when Sharon needed help, Mamie.
Mama. But we don't trust that we are paying you. Okay, that's enough. We don't trust what you are paying you.
Normal clear.
You say Papa Sharon use Mama Sharon to venue because he knows not to understand this woman again the way they work.
At the end of the day, the father, the man did not even care. Well, all your children assume as our father. All your children assume as our father.
May I read this comment? Mama Sharon they pay me to go to back for insults when giving Sharon children for people to. I don't understand.
This same man was the one that named me my name, was the one that named Sharon. So who can be more father? Who can be more father now? You tell me.
Now this man, for you to name Sharon. You know.
Who is more father in the two of them? Is this man?
Yeah.
Even as that, he was still taking care of us, coming to check on us, going, even when he enter Europe, he keeps sending money for our school fees, taking good care of us. He did everything to make sure that my mother was comfortable. My mother did not feel any pain of not having husband. He did everything. At the end of the day, this one disrespected him.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
So what am I trying to say is that
Okay. They say she no even beat her grandchildren, not to talk of Sharon. Now outside that, they beat the baby. Imagine. Should they allow God in do saga for Sharon house? Okay.
The man saw the attitude. He was like, God, I cannot allow this kid to grow up here. And the men that have been inside the case.
Fracomozo na -1. Ari only berita. Pesi we chuwe prick. I come mati picture. Ya my mama stupid. Only name me like bira.
Yes, for years. I agree because it's odd. I agree because.
Later be you are we bury your boy. Boy, man.
I'm inside the story. I know everything.
Yeah.
I know that.
Later
when my mother started putting his affair at front line, these children will not be able to get anything or even be able to be taken care of properly. When my mother resumed her business, I know that these children will not be able to take care. And moreover, this she think it's easy to be taking children to school.
Yeah, amazing. Even me not watching her patience easy. Even me not watching her. See, she's really a good friend and a sister.
You don't think it's easy? My brother, as old as I am, I'm not yet married. If I tell you story, in fact, if I tell you story, you will say my brother. You say you not go do social media again. Say this one don't pass you. You go wrong.